Indrani Mukherjee, the woman jailed on charges of murdering her daughter Sheena Bora, is amongst the 200 women who are accused by jail officials of rioting after a woman prisoner died in Baikula jail in Mumbai on Friday. A case has been registered against Indrani Mukherjee after officials found that she had allegedly instigated and organized the protests. Mukherjee, the former owner of a TV channel, along with her husband Peter Mukherjee, was arrested in August 2015 for allegedly killing her 25-year-old daughter. Now, Richa Sharma joins me live. Richa, now she's amongst the 200 women who allegedly instigated and started the violence in the Baikula jail.
That's right, Aishwarya. This shocking case of an inmate's death who was serving her life imprisonment of 14 years in a murder case, another murder case, at the Baikula jail right behind me. Right now, so far, 6 police officials at the jail have been booked by the police after the post-mortem report stated that it was a case of murder and not accident after she fell unconscious on Friday evening after a minor spat allegedly with the officials as well as the police officer that were present at the Baikula jail. And yes, right now, amongst the 200 women who agitated and protested in this whole case against the police officials as well as the officers and the jail officials, one of the names that has come out is of Indrani Mukherjee, who is serving her jail term right now at the Baikula jail, and she is also being stated as one of the 5 main people to have instigated the riots as well as the internal conflicts that happened on Saturday right from the morning. And so far the police is investigating the matter, not stating too much, but they have stated clearly that yes, she is one of the people, the top 5 people amongst the 200 women prisoners to have instigated these riot kind of a situation within the jail. And they even went on the terrace to actually protest and even set on fire a number of books and clothes in their raising their voice and slogans against the death of a co-inmate.
As you pointed out that these women were there on the terrace, we can clearly see on our screens there are women who are standing and shouting slogans. What is the police going to do next, since now they have zeroed in on Indrani Mukherjee as one of the 5 women who instigated these protests?
That's right, Aishwarya. So far, the police is now after booking an FIR and a case at the Nagpada police station, now they have set up a high-level inquiry in the death of this 31-year-old inmate by the name of Manju Shethe, and they are inquiring into the matter, and they have already registered a case of murder against a number of police officials as well as the guards that were present at the scene so far, and they are also trying to investigate into the CCTV footage, and a number of CCTV footage have been installed in the Baikula jail, and they are trying to find out through these evidences exactly what was the situation like on Friday as well as Saturday in this whole situation after this very shocking death of this inmate that happened, and which followed up into this riot and agitation amongst these 200 inmates and prisoners at Baikula jail.
Thank you, Richa, for joining us with all the latest details in this case where protests took place at Baikula jail in Mumbai.